I have, let's see, what did I do? I bookmarked Avid here, okay? So you'll go to Avid right here and you'll do this thing, right? You'll do this, fill this out, create an Avid account and then you'll sign in. At some point, they'll ask you to do a name, an account name. Do not put your email in there. Put a name that you'll remember. I use Joel David Abramson, all right? And then they'll ask you for a password and write that password down. But don't use your email for your account name. You use that to sign in only, right? So I sign in and watch those videos. It's really good if you can watch those videos in order. You've got an Avid account. Mine is different now because I have linked my accounts, but you'll get, there's a dealio here. Let me see if I have it in my Avid folder right here. Is you will be able to link your account right here. So you link your Avid account, and then that's kind of where I asked you to stop. But then I gave everybody that really long password, you know, for your account. And so here's what you do with that. The code that I emailed you, go to Avid Software Activation and download, and click on that. Click on that, and you will get a place right here to enter your code. And that's where you enter your code right here. And then eventually, you will then, if your iLok is activated, you may have to go find your iLok once everything is downloaded. So let me show you where that might be on my Mac computer. If you went to Utilities, or no, Applications here, here's your iLok License Manager. And it'll come in right here as soon as it, right? And here's my sign-in password. All right, so this all happens afterwards. And you'll need, after you've got your iLok going and you put it in that page over here. And again, it's thinking, you're gonna find what is available right here to you. There'll be a whole lot of things available, and you'll want to click on them and activate them. And you can see I don't have any, you know, available because I've already done it. But these are the things that I have now activated in my account. Now the deal is that you want it in iLok Cloud. You want everything in iLok Cloud. You don't want it on your computer. You don't want it in hardware or anything like that. So you have to have an internet connection to do this. And if things come in here, there's a video, an additional video on the, and you can email me for the links if I didn't put that in the original instructions of how to get anything that's activated here into the iLok Cloud, because you're going to need it into here. Anyway, what you would do in available is kind of click on that and I'd activate it, right? And then it'll put it in the iLok Cloud. I've got it, even though it says 26 available right there, that's the Avid Complete Bundle. I've got that, it is activated. Those are the 26 things right there that access your account. Let's see here. So when you access your account, these are different things you can download. Things that you could download, and you want to download Avid Pro Tools right there. And then you can figure out which release you want. Now, when I did this at the beginning of our break, I downloaded this version, right? Since then, they've released this version, right? And then I've heard recommend that the 2018-10 is a nice stable version. But what you want to do, let's see if this will do this. You want to click through to it, and I don't know how long it's going to take me to load. Earlier today, it timed out when I tried to load this, but you'll load it and you'll get another page up here. And one of the links will be system requirements, you know, compatibility requirements. And you want to click on that and make sure, I'm going to stop this because again, it's pretty busy right now. you want to make sure that the operating system that you have, which on the Mac people is right here, right? The operating system you have, which is right there, is listed in the compatible systems when you click through on here. And if it's not, then pick an older version. If you have a newer version if you have Catalina, this will probably work with Catalina, I think. I think that's what this is about, because these don't work with Catalina. If you have Catalina, I think this is the one that you want to do. If you do this, let me know, because Catalina does not support QuickTime video. And I'm working on a file converter that will take our video from our next project and convert that into a file format that you can use. Everybody else, the file will work. If you're in any of these versions of Pro Tools, it'll work. Okay, so you're good for that. All right, well, let's start Pro Tools and do our thing. And this works so far, this works just like in